Okay, hi all. First of today's two constructions then is to construct a triangle ABC with the angle BCA 90 degrees, so it's another right angle triangle. The angle ABC equals 30 degrees and the length of the side AB is 7 centimeters. Okay, so this is a little different to the one we did yesterday when we had two angles and a side, because yesterday we had two angles and the side that was in between the two angles. This time it's two angles but the side is not in between them. So let's start with the sketch again. So we know it's going to be a right angle triangle, 90-degree angle here, and we know there's going to be a 30-degree angle and the side 7 centimeters. So I'm just going to draw any right angle triangle for a start. And I made a kind of an acute angle here that looks to me to be about 30 degrees, even though I'd say it's a slight bit bigger. So that's 30 degrees. This is the 90 degree or the right angle. Okay, now the right angle is at BCA, so it means the C, or the middle letter, must be here where it is. The 30-degree angle is ABC, so it's just here. And if that's B and that's C, then this must be A down here. And then finally we have our side AB is of length 7 centimeters. So AB 7 centimeters. So it's this side here. So you can see what I mentioned earlier. Instead of having the side here, which is in between the two angles, we have a side which is over here. But that's not a big deal for us, really, because once you have two of the angles in a triangle, you can work out what the third one is. So the third one is just going to be 90 and 30 is 120. And 120 from 180 leaves me 60 degrees, because the three of these angles, or the three angles in any triangle, have to add up to 180 degrees. So now they do. 60 and 30 is 90 and 90 is 180. Okay, so we've introduced a little bit more information. That's our sketch. Since this side is the only length that we have at the moment, I'm going to choose this as my base. So if you like, you can draw the sketch out again, showing that as the base. Now, you don't have to really, but sometimes it might be easier to visualize. So imagine that I'm twisting or I'm rotating this triangle around so that the A is here now and the B is here. And then the C is up there somewhere, and which is at the A is the 60-degree angle, so that'll be around there. And this will be the 30-degree angle, and this will be our 90 degrees here. So 60 degrees, 30 degrees, and this is our C up here now because I've turned that so that the C is on top this time. So now I'm ready to draw my triangle, and the first thing I'm going to do is again draw the base. It's 7 centimeters long, so I'm going to draw a line segment which is longer than 7 centimeters and then use my compass and my ruler to measure out 7 centimeters. Okay, so that's my line segment that I've drawn there. I've just marked A at one end. I don't know where B is yet, but I've got my compass and I've already measured out the distance between the lead of the pencil and the point of the compass is now 7 centimeters, so I can draw an arc. Just going to place the point of the compass down here at A, and I'm going to draw my arc, and that point there then is going to be my B. So I'll just mark that in here, B. And the next thing I'll need is my protractor in order to draw my two angles, my 60-degree angle and my 30-degree angle going up this way. So let's get the protractor. If I want to draw the 60-degree angle at A, I'm going to have to put the crosshairs there just down at the point A and line up my protractor here along the line A, or line segment AB. And so I'm going to mark 60 degrees. And again, when I'm working on this side for an acute angle, I'm using the inner scale here. So 60 degrees, I'm going to mark it here, and then I'm going to draw a line up this way. Okay, so that's complete. I've drawn the line up there, and I've drawn it plenty long for what I need. And now I'm going to put the protractor down at the point B because I want to draw this 30-degree angle here. Point B, and so again the crosshairs have to go right down on B. I have to line up the bottom line of the protractor here with the line segment AB. Then I'm going to mark in a second 30 degrees, and because I'm working on this side this time and I want it to be an acute angle, I'm going to use the outer scale here, the outside scale here where it says going up 10, 20, 30, and I'm going to mark 30 here and then draw a line plenty long until it intersects or goes past the line segment that I drew in the last part. Okay, so that's where I did it, and drew a little dot there near the 30-degree mark, and then draw a line segment from B through that dot until I intersected with the first line, or construction line if you like, that I drew here. Now the point of intersection of these two construction lines, okay, so the point of intersection of these two construction lines is the point C. Now I know from my drawing up here, I know this should be a 90-degree angle. I could put my protractor down and measure it, but I'm confident that it is. I'm going to just mark in the dimensions now. So this is 7 centimeters. The dimensions that I know, this is 60 degrees. This is the right angle here, and this is 30 degrees. And that's it.